Next step is to mount the motor inside the motor hub onto aluminium profile. You will need 40 centimeter long profile that will be the horizontal rail, and 8 centimeter long pieces that are going to be 2 legs supporting the motor hub. And the profiles are going to be held by the M5 screws, 8 millimeter long button head, and the T-nuts for M5. Please slide the T-nuts into the profile in the direction, so this is the side facing outwards, not this way but this way. I also suggest to leave a small gap between each profile and the motor, something like this, to prevent vibrations coming from the motor from resonating in the profiles.